Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of naval engineering to explore the USS Gerald R. Ford, the most advanced aircraft carrier in the world. This colossal vessel represents a formidable feat of engineering, a floating city at the forefront of modern naval power. Join us as we uncover the secrets of this technological marvel, delving into its intricate design and awe-inspiring capabilities. Prepare to be amazed as we explore the sheer scale and complexity of the USS Gerald R. Ford, a testament to human ingenuity and relentless innovation. The USS Gerald R. Ford is a revolution in naval technology, featuring the Electromagnetic Aircraft Launch System, or EMALS. Gone are the days of steam catapults, replaced by a system of immense power and precision. EMALS utilizes linear induction motors to propel aircraft off the deck with incredible force, allowing for greater control over launch speed and a smoother ride for pilots. This groundbreaking technology reduces wear and tear on aircraft, extending their operational lifespan. The Ford also boasts the dual-band radar for unparalleled situational awareness and a state-of-the-art communications suite for seamless global connectivity. Its advanced systems and capabilities set a new standard for aircraft carriers, ensuring its place at the forefront of maritime power for decades to come. Words cannot truly capture the sheer scale of the USS Gerald R. Ford. Stretching over 1,100 feet in length and displacing over 100,000 tons of water, it is among the largest warships ever constructed. Its flight deck alone spans an area larger than 3 football fields, designed to house and operate an air wing of over 75 aircraft. The ship's cavernous hangar bays provide ample space for maintenance, repairs, and storage of this formidable aerial arsenal. The Ford also carries a variety of helicopters, extending the ship's reach and versatility. Advanced electromagnetic elevators move aircraft between decks with remarkable speed and efficiency, ensuring swift and effective operations even in challenging conditions. Constructing a vessel of this magnitude is no small feat, and the USS Gerald R. Ford's price tag reflects the immense investment in research, development, and construction. With a cost exceeding $13 billion, it is the most expensive warship ever built. The ship's construction was a monumental undertaking, involving thousands of skilled workers across multiple shipyards over nearly a decade. The Ford's hull is constructed of high-strength steel, designed to withstand the rigors of open ocean operations. Its massive propulsion system, consisting of 2 nuclear reactors, provides virtually unlimited range, allowing the ship to remain at sea for extended periods without refueling. Despite challenges and cost overruns, the USS Gerald R. Ford stands as a symbol of American naval might and a significant investment in national security. Its construction represents a commitment to maintaining dominance at sea and protecting global interests. The USS Gerald R. Ford is a floating city, home to over 4,500 sailors and officers. Life at sea is demanding, and the Ford is designed to provide its crew with a comfortable and functional living environment. The Ford features modern modular living spaces, providing sailors with increased privacy and comfort. Each berthing area is equipped with bunks, lockers, and desks, offering a sense of personal space amidst the bustling shipboard life. The ship boasts several galleys capable of preparing thousands of meals each day, and recreational facilities like a gym, library, movie theater, and coffee shop. Life aboard the Ford is a unique blend of technological sophistication and the camaraderie of a close-knit community, essential to the ship's operational effectiveness. The USS Gerald R. Ford is the lead ship of a new class of aircraft carriers, designed to form the backbone of the U.S. Navy's carrier strike groups for decades to come. Its operational capabilities are vast and varied, encompassing a wide range of missions, from power projection to humanitarian aid. With its complement of advanced fighter jets, electronic warfare aircraft, and helicopters, the ship can project overwhelming air power across vast distances. The Ford's air wing can conduct offensive and defensive counter-air missions, provide close air support to ground troops, and strike targets deep inland. The Ford is also a key component of the U.S. Navy's ballistic missile defense system, with advanced radar systems and escort ships equipped with Aegis combat systems. Beyond combat, the Ford can serve as a platform for humanitarian aid and disaster relief operations, with spacious flight decks and medical facilities. The USS Gerald R. Ford represents the pinnacle of American naval power, ensuring the U.S. Navy's ability to deter aggression, maintain freedom of navigation, and respond to crises around the world. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about the USS Gerald R. Ford, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating videos. The USS Gerald R. Ford stands as a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of technological advancement. It is a marvel of engineering, a floating city at the forefront of naval power, and a symbol of American innovation. See you next time.